All right, so today I'm starting to renovate this room. This is a living room on the ground. The kicker is that above on the ceiling, it's so full of, there was rodent because the house was abandoned for maybe 4 or 5 years or more. And it's full of probably dead mice and then rodent crap and all kinds of stuff. And even this year, actually, there was a rat that entered there a couple of times. So I caught it and took it away, but it left a lot of poop, maybe enough to fertilize my garden for 1 year. So let's get started. This area looks like it was maybe, I don't know if it's the entry point, but certainly a nest. So many mouse crap and something bigger too. And like this is quite big. Let's see what's up there. Holy shit. Look at all that crap. So most of it is mice and rats and some bigger one like this. So I think that's a weasel, maybe. Like this one and this one. Right, that's big. So probably weasel. But that's a lot. Wow. But it's done. So yesterday I ripped the ceiling off. And one section here about 1 meter is outside of the not outside, but so the second floor stops here, and that's just the roof outside. So I suspect the mice and rat entered from somewhere around there, because there used to be, there's some trees outside here. Well, actually I cut them, but there were some trees right next to the roof, so they could probably climb up there and then enter somewhere. But again, I don't know. So it looks a lot cleaner. Something odd on this wall there. So all around the house they put one layer of that like bamboo frame to hold the inside wall. But here, for some reason, they put two. And I don't know why, because only this room, like the room next door and the one over there, had only one layer. So I wonder if there's something hidden in this wall, which I'm going to find out in a few minutes. The mice were very active in here. Oh. Good old tenuki, a Japanese tradition. Tenuki means shortcut, means like no hand, meaning that they didn't do what they're supposed to do, so there's no insulation here.